Losing time, I'm fading fast. I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past. I close my eyes, embrace the blast. Sleepless nights and headache stack. Restlessness to hell and back. What's my purpose?
For most people getting into drones, there are usually three big worries right away: crashing the drone, dealing with complicated controls, and ending up with unusable footage. But this drone completely changes that feeling. The Avata 360, DJI's first panoramic drone, brings back a real sense of confidence for beginners. You don't need advanced flying skills to use it, and because it captures panoramic footage, you can even decide how to frame your shots afterward. On top of that, its more accessible price makes it an ideal entry-level drone for first-time pilots. Whether you're on vacation or just exploring outdoors, getting impressive aerial shots suddenly feels easy.
A quick shout out to my tech partner from China for sharing this video. A big thank you for making this possible. Hey everyone, it's Maiky from techmaiky. If you love staying updated with the latest gadgets, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss out our exciting tech content.
Most beginner pilots are nervous about accidents, complicated setups, and ruining their footage before they even start editing. Traditional drones usually depend heavily on getting the perfect shot in real time. Once the footage is captured, your flexibility is limited to basic color grading or a little cropping. In other words, the final result depends a lot on the pilot's flying ability and creative instincts during the flight itself. But the Avata 360 works differently. It acts more like a spatial recorder, capturing the entire environment during flight and letting you shape the storytelling later in post-production. That's what makes it feel so unique. With the flight goggles and joystick setup, the Avata 360 almost becomes an extension of yourself. Equipped with dual 1-inch sensors capable of shooting 8K 60 FPS HDR panoramic video, it creates a fully immersive flying experience. When you're traveling, you can simply move forward through a scene, pause whenever you want, and shift perspectives naturally while enjoying the landscape. Before you realize it, you've already captured cinematic aerial footage and stunning photos at the same time. What really helps beginners is how simple the controls feel. Pair the drone with the Flight Goggles 3 or Flight Goggles N3 alongside the Cross Joystick 3, and the experience becomes incredibly intuitive. Motion controls combined with the joystick brake make flying feel natural almost instantly, with barely any learning curve. Even first-time users can pick it up quickly. And for people who already have experience flying drones, the RC2 or RC-N3 controllers deliver a more familiar control style. So whether you're completely new or already experienced, the Avata 360 removes much of the stress that usually comes with flying and filming. Then comes the biggest fear of all: crashing. Thankfully, DJI packed this drone with multiple safety systems. It features omnidirectional obstacle avoidance, a classic DJI technology, along with a front-facing LiDAR sensor and full 360-degree visual obstacle detection. Together, these systems help the drone avoid most common obstacles during flight. The Avata 360 also carries over the protective design philosophy from the DJI Avata series. Its integrated propeller guards help shield both the drone and its motors during accidents, while also reducing the risk of injury to the operator. Because of this protected design, the drone can safely fly closer to objects than many traditional drones, which makes it much easier to capture dramatic cinematic shots. And if you do end up scratching the lens during an accident, replacing it is surprisingly affordable. Official replacement lenses cost only around 100 yuan and can be swapped out yourself, which keeps repair costs low. The drone also comes with DJI's stable O4 image transmission system, delivering strong anti-interference performance and supporting wireless video transmission up to 20 kilometers away. Add the optional 4G communication module, and signal dropouts become much less common, especially when flying across larger areas or between cities. Of course, it's still important to avoid crowded urban environments and follow local flight regulations, including reporting flights in advance whenever required. Now that flying has become easier, filming your adventures is simple too. Even if you travel alone, the Avata 360 works perfectly for solo creators. If you're shooting travel videos, selfies, or road trip content, the intelligent follow mode can completely free up your hands. The tracking system keeps camera movement smooth while automatically creating dynamic and creative shots. Beginners can capture professional-looking footage with almost no effort, while experienced creators still have plenty of room to push their creativity further. And if you love making short-form content for social media, the one-click short video feature is especially useful. The drone can automatically perform cinematic camera moves without needing a second person to operate it. Effects like dramatic pullbacks or soaring upward shots become incredibly easy to create, making solo aerial filming much more practical. For hiking enthusiasts, there are even more creative options. Beyond standard orbit shots, you can use comet-style flight paths, where the drone moves in an elliptical motion around the subject. This creates a dynamic cinematic effect that feels especially rewarding when capturing moments like reaching a mountain summit. When filming individual buildings, you can safely fly straight toward the structure and later create dramatic falling flower-style effects during editing. For groups of buildings, flying directly through them works beautifully, especially when combined with asteroid-style camera movements in post-production. If the path is smooth enough, you can also attempt clean fly-through shots and later turn them into even more visually interesting edits. And when it comes to pure landscape filming, the Avata 360 makes impressive shots feel effortless. Simple straight-line flights already look fantastic, but scenes with strong depth, like mountains, coastlines, highways, and canyons, become even more cinematic. Flying in smooth arcs close to the subject allows you to create dramatic effects later, including rotating shots, tracking movements, and look-back perspectives. The final results feel immersive, cinematic, and incredibly satisfying to create.
No matter what kind of drone shots you're capturing or what shooting style you prefer, safety should always come first. Make sure you follow local drone regulations, register your flights properly, and always fly legally. Unauthorized flying is absolutely something you should avoid. Now, after spending your holiday capturing incredible scenery and recording countless cinematic moments, the trip is suddenly coming to an end. But then reality hits. You're staring at a massive amount of panoramic footage and wondering how you're supposed to turn all of it into a finished video. Honestly, it's much easier than you might think. All you need to do is transfer the footage straight to your phone and open the built-in editing tools inside the DJI Fly app. From there, you can begin creating immediately. And if you have no idea where to start, the one-click video creation feature is a lifesaver. Simply select the clips you want to use, and the system automatically analyzes everything for you, handling the editing, camera movement, color grading, and even background music in one smooth process. Once it's done, you can export the video directly and share it instantly. If the automatic result isn't exactly your style, you can tap Edit More and customize the video however you like. You can even reframe the panoramic footage afterward, almost like reshooting the scene from a completely different angle. I counted them myself. There are 47 built-in camera movement presets available. These let you create professional-looking aerial effects with ease, including free-flight cinematic movements and dramatic tracking shots. And honestly, editing the footage yourself makes the final result feel even more rewarding. If you still feel lost with editing and the automatic mode doesn't fully satisfy you, the built-in templates are another great option. You can browse different styles for inspiration, and if you find one you like, you can recreate a similar video with just one tap. After that, you're still free to fine-tune everything directly on your phone until it looks exactly how you want. For users who are more experienced with editing, the DJI desktop app is definitely worth trying. DJI Studio provides a much more advanced editing environment, including professional color grading tools, cinematic filters, transitions, special effects, advanced camera motion controls, and even detailed keyframe adjustments. If you're aiming for more serious or professional level productions, this setup gives you far more creative flexibility. Right now, the Avata 360 comes in 4 different versions. The standalone edition starts at 2788 yuan and is mainly designed for long-time DJI users who already own compatible goggles, controllers, and joysticks. For most regular users, though, this version probably isn't the best starting point. The RC2 remote controller combo, priced at 4388 yuan, is much more beginner-friendly. Since it includes the screen-equipped RC2 controller, it's easier to learn the basics of drone flying and get comfortable quickly.
Considering the features you're getting, the price is already very competitive. And if your main goal is simply capturing travel footage and everyday aerial shots, this package offers excellent value. If you want a more unrestricted flying experience, there's also the Remote Control Flight Kit at 5,488 yuan. Each battery delivers around 23 minutes of flight time, and with 3 batteries rotating while charging, you can practically keep flying non-stop. Within the same budget, this setup gives you a much freer and more immersive flying experience. Then there's the Motion Sensing Flight Kit, which is probably the most beginner-friendly package of all if you want the full immersive 360-degree panoramic flight experience. It includes the N3 flight goggles and the Crossover Joystick 3, allowing you to fly naturally without spending time learning traditional controller logic. You can pick it up and start flying almost immediately, and the overall experience feels incredibly immersive. If I had to sum up the Avata 360 in a single sentence, I'd say this drone doesn't just improve aerial photography, it transforms it into a new way of storytelling. Inside this panoramic world, you're free to choose the perspective, framing, and visual style that best tells your story. That's really the magic of panoramic drones like the Avata 360. Professional creators get an enormous amount of creative freedom and room to experiment, while beginners can still jump in easily thanks to the simple controls and immersive flying experience. It lowers the barrier to entry while still offering a very high creative ceiling, and that balance is exactly what makes it such a strong option for new drone users. And with that, we've reached the end of this video on the DJI Avata 360 panoramic drone. I hope everyone has an amazing holiday, captures unforgettable moments, and records every perfect scene they imagine. If you enjoyed this video or found it helpful, don't forget to subscribe, leave a like, and share it with others. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.